This video will show you how to move files from your computer to Google Drive. So if you want to back up your files, or if you simply want to transfer them from one computer to another, this video will help. So first we need to get to Google Drive. To do that, you can go to Google, and if you're logged in, go to the Google Apps button in the top right, and then go ahead and find Drive. You may need to scroll down. Once you've clicked on it and you've accessed Google Drive, you can then go to New in the top left hand corner, and then you can either upload a folder or a file. So I'm going to click on Folder Upload. You can then go and find your folder, and you can then go ahead and upload it that way. This will add all of the files that you've got inside of this folder. You'll then see the folder or files uploading in the bottom right hand corner. You'll be able to then find them by going to My Drive. Here you can see we've got the Files folder, which I can double click on, and here you'll be able to see all of the folders or files that you've just uploaded. Alternatively, you can go to Recent, and you should be able to see the individual files here as well.